Hi, today for the Asus Zenfone 10 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open for the settings application, tap to network and internet and click to internet section. To activate Wi-Fi, you should click on the switcher and after that you'll see here a list of all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. To see the password, click to show password checkbox, tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to the network. By the same way, you could use here more networks, enter the passwords, connect to them, and after that just switch between them. Also, we get one more way how you could do that. Just open the control panel and click the Wi-Fi icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off. Just to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold for a while this icon and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.